Ladies and gentlemen, numismatists and history enthusiasts, today I am honored to take you on a journey through the fascinating story of the 1984 W gold $10 Olympic coin, a piece of history that represents not just the spirit of the Olympics, but also a milestone in U.S. coinage. Introduction. The year was 1984, and the world was preparing for one of the most anticipated events, the Los Angeles Summer Olympics. To commemorate this grand occasion, the United States Mint released a special gold coin, marking a significant moment in numismatic history. This coin was the first ever U.S. gold coin to feature the W mintmark, representing the West Point Mint. But why was this coin so special? What made it different from the coins that came before it? Let's dive into its history, design, and significance. Historical background. Before 1984, the U.S. Mint had not issued a gold coin for over 50 years. The last circulating gold coins were discontinued in 1933 due to the Great Depression and the government's decision to take the country off the gold standard. However, with the Olympics being hosted in Los Angeles, the U.S. government saw an opportunity not just to celebrate sportsmanship but also to reintroduce gold coinage. Thus, the 1984 $10 gold Olympic coin was born, symbolizing America's commitment to both numismatics and the Olympic spirit. Design and symbolism. This beautiful coin was designed with deep symbolism and artistic brilliance. On the obverse front side, the coin features a majestic Lady Liberty holding the Olympic torch, a design created by John Mercanti. She stands with strength and grace, representing freedom, hope, and the Olympic dream. The reverse backside, designed by Edwin T. Rees, showcases a bald eagle holding an olive branch, symbolizing peace and victory, two core ideals of the Olympic Games. The intricate details of this coin make it a true masterpiece. Specifications and rarity. Now let's talk about the physical aspects of this coin. Denomination, $10, composition, 90% gold, 10% copper for durability. Weight, 16.72 grams with 0.4837 ounces of pure gold. Diameter, 27 millimeters. Mint mark, W, for West Point Mint. Mintage, only 505,000 coins were struck, making it a limited edition collectible. Value and collectability. Today, the 1984 W $10 Olympic gold coin is highly sought after by collectors. Its historical importance, stunning design, and limited availability make it a treasured piece in the world of numismatics. Depending on its condition and certification, its market value can range from $1,000 to over $3,000, sometimes even higher for high-grade specimens. Conclusion. The 1984 W $10 gold Olympic coin is not just a piece of metal, it is a symbol of history, art, and the Olympic spirit. It marks a turning point in American coinage, being the first modern U.S. gold coin after decades of absence and the first to bear the W mint mark from West Point.